University research Espresso style, quick, on the go. Welcome to Espresso Knowledge. A hockey league in Ontario is showing us a gentler side of sport, far away from hyper-competitive professional and amateur hockey. Before lockdown, one researcher spent several weeks with the Silver Skaters. Over 300 men play in age divisions over 55, 63, 70. Kristi Allain watched their games, spoke to them and their family members. She found life lessons of inclusion and compassion in the unique, caring culture of Silver Skaters. Hockey was important to their lives, identities, and understanding aging. Almost every player celebrated those who continued playing despite chemotherapy, heart surgeries, and broken bones. For example, a goalie with a newly reconstructed hip returned after a lengthy absence. Players shot wide, valuing safety over personal achievement. There is no scorekeeping, no awards for best team or player. The story of hockey, in some ways, can be a story of care and celebration of different abilities. ResearchStoryteller.com has links to original article.